Hello and welcome to this short video about this Cambridge Audio Discmagic 1 compact disc transport. This is the second unit. I had the first one a couple of years ago, which I bought as a working one, and the same stories with this one. This was supposedly a good working unit, and the only problem with it was that you had to press buttons. This is one of those that doesn't have a remote control. Well, the owner didn't want to sell it with remote control. I do have one and it works. However, the player is actually not really fully working. If you hit the close, you see nothing much happen. You have to nudge the tray. But that's not the problem. That's a stretched belt. I can handle that. But now, as you see, it doesn't spin at CD anymore. It used to a moment ago, and it stopped. You see, now you have to pull the tray a bit for the motor to stop. So, but it appears that either a limit switch failed, or the laser, or there is an intermittent connection somewhere on the board. So you see, now I have to press it again. So it's certainly it's not a fully working unit. Maybe there is an intermittent connection somewhere there. I don't know. But well, it needs a repair, so it's certainly not a fully working unit at all. Well, I don't know how you people handle that. Yeah, I mean, I repair CD players for a living, and most of them, whether I buy them as faulty or as fully working ones, I always get faulty ones. Maybe 1 in 15 is actually working properly. I mean, if I was just average punter, I mean, how do you even deal with that? Please tell me in the comments, does it only happen to me, or do you have that kind of thing happening to you as well? Well, sorry about this rant yet again, and till the next one. Bye-bye.